We will help with the design and we will help quote it. And then we get the pricing to the customer. And if we are awarded the job after it was quoted and we get a PO, we will turn it around and we will make it a project and we will see that truck through the shop.
I write specs, approve drawings, approve orders for parts, paint. From the start to the finish, I have to do a little bit of everything on these trucks. Working with customers outside of the company, employees within the company, other co-workers. On a daily basis, there's new challenges. No two trucks are the same. Even ones that are supposed to be, they go through the shop and it's a different process. So every day is a new day.
What I like about my job here at LDV is gotta be the customers. Just some of the stories and just a wide range of personalities that we get. It is very rewarding.
I've definitely worked on some interesting projects where I know that the end user is really going to get some benefit out of the vehicle, so it makes you feel good at the end of the day.
It's got to be the mobile commands, the big ones. I don't know, just because they're just so massive. Before I started working here, it was just cool seeing all these trucks driving down the road and then actually seeing what's involved with just the technology that goes inside these right now. It's basically a computer on wheels.
My favorite trucks, it doesn't really depend on how big they are or what's in them. It's how much the customers are involved in the project. Some customers are getting a tool that they're going to be using for a really long time, and you can tell when it matters.
It's sometimes challenging, but it's always rewarding at the end to get the guys together to do a good quality project. A lot of people here care about their job, so it's all about quality, putting out the right products. And if you really like doing a high quality job, this would be it.